Hello dear students, a very warm good evening to you, to all of you that I welcome you in this channel. It's your favorite channel, Divya classes of your favorite subject mathematics. So I am your favorite teacher Naresh. I am teaching you today. Okay. So today we are doing question number 3rd of exercise 8.2 class 10th. In this question we have given that the values of tangent a plus b, that's equals to root 3, and tangent a minus b, that's equals to 1 upon root 3, and the angles are a plus b is greater than 0 degree and less than equal to 90 degree, in which angle a must be greater than angle b. It's the question, and we have to find the values of angle a and angle b. Okay students, so I had written it. I had written the answer, so I will explain you. So in question we have given tangent a plus b equal to root 3. Since we know tangent 60 equal to root 3, and so tangent a plus b equals to tangent 60 because we know the value of root 3. Okay, and by cancelling tangent from both sides we get a plus b equals to 60. This is our equation number 1. Same procedure we will follow in another case, and we have given tangent a minus b equal to 1 upon root 3, and we know the value of 1 upon root 3, which is tangent 30 degree. So tangent a minus b equals to tangent 30, and by cancelling tangent from both sides we get a minus b equals to 30 using elimination method, which I had talked to you in chapter number 3rd. Kindly watch chapter number 3rd if you didn't know what is elimination method and how to use it. Okay, using elimination we get the value of a, which is 45 degree. Putting the value of a in another equation we get the value of angle b. So value of angle a is 45 degree and angle b is 15 degree. So by using elimination method we get the values. I hope students you like my video. Kindly share my video with your friends, and do comment, share my video, subscribe my channel, and press the like button also. Thank you students for watching my video. Thank you so much.